Of all the RVs for this price range, this is the biggest bang for your buck. Let's start off with the exterior. All right, if you notice, has a gray coloration. It goes from almost like a gradient gray, and you have JBL speakers outside.
Nice speakers too.
Yeah, those are excellent speakers, okay? I'm gonna unlock this thing. We have some storage here. You can store some, maybe, oh, actually, this goes pretty high. Look how high it goes.
It goes all the way up?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and there's a door right there. So that's to the inside.
Yes, and a water connection for your laundry. All right, so exterior, you'll see this little glossy exterior. It says
It's got a nice
Aurora.
finish to it. It's got a gold look.
Yeah, it's
Aurora.
It's nice. All right, we have propane tanks over here. Another storage. It actually is it goes very, very far.
That's very deep.
Very deep. All right. Oh, I did not like that.
Gotta close that.
Oh my gosh.
There it is. We got it.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
She thought she broke it.
All right. Coming
More
this
storage.
way. More storage. You guessed it. All right. So lots and lots of storage all throughout.
Nice. It's a lot of storage.
Boom. All right. Slide number 1, slide number 2. This unit has a total of 2 slides. So we have our black tank and water connections here.
Okay. All the sewage
This is
connections
where-
at the bottom.
Yep, you flush it out from down there. All right. Come around to the side. We have a hook. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, she's
We
getting
have a
dripped
water
on.
spout. We have a water spout situation here with the gutter, and our electrical goes here. How many points do we have, Mark?
The 4-point system, so it's pretty stable.
All right. Coming around to the back.
So, and the Aurora is a Blue Compass exclusive. You
Yes,
cannot
this is-
find this thing anywhere.
Nope. If you want this, you only come to the Blue Compass. We have an outdoor kitchen right over here. Freezer. This guy comes out, and this is your grill.
That's kind of cool.
So if you want to spend some time outside in beautiful weather. And the coolest thing of all, you have solar on board, as well as this awning with LED lights. So before we go inside, I'm going to do some quick specs. All right, the gross weight is going to be 10,000 pounds. Dry weight is 7,743. The hitch weight is going to be 1,042 pounds. Fresh tank is going to be 44 gallons. Gray is 70. Black is 30. The length of this bad boy is 36 feet. Let's go inside. This is the Aurora 31 KDS. So as you come in, you'll see all your control panels right here. And now, welcome. Okay, this is what it looks like.
It's cozy.
It's cozy. It is open. You know, you have your recliners and your dinette and kitchen all over here. So let's start off with this kitchen. It is a L-shaped kitchen. You have your sink. Oh no!
Right.
I accidentally pressed that
Man.
way. Sometimes I'm strong and sometimes I'm not strong enough. But that is where you put your cup and you basically just wash it.
It's just brand new unit, just got ruined.
It's not ruined. All right, storage all throughout here. Little tiny microwave.
Thing is
It's so
tiny.
cute.
It's got enough to fit like half a pizza.
Well, when you're microwaving a slice, that's perfect.
Yeah, there you go.
3 burners on the stove. Cool little LED lights. And check this out.
And that's where you put the
Cutest.
pizza.
Yes, this is where you put your pizza. That is where you reheat it the next day. But how cute is this little GE unit? Backsplash here, your window, more storage. And then there's another storage area here. You've got your drawers. And then right here, we missed one more.
More storage.
More storage right here.
It's a lot of storage.
That's what you need, a lot of storage. Fridge, nice and spacious. Freezer, boom. And the pantry. Lots of space for all your snacks. A booth-style dinette. Very cozy. And of course, you have some storage underneath for extra stuff. Because, you know, you gotta have the stuff and you gotta store the stuff. Now, this one actually becomes a bed, so you can actually pull this guy down, or take it apart, I should say.
It takes a lot of effort.
And you can just reconfigure it to be a bed.
If you have a lot of people hanging out with you.
If you have some guests coming over and you need to prep some areas for sleeping situations, then you have that option. This one also comes apart.
Turns into a bed also, I think.
Yes, this one turns into a bed. Here, let's do this.
What's this? That's a safety rope.
Well, obviously, you would have to take these things apart.
Right. That is the coolest thing I've ever seen in my life.
And now you can use this as a nice cozy area to put your feet up.
That's the way I would leave it permanently.
The people across the room. This is a nice big couch, you guys. Check this out. Okay, not only is it a bed, but it's also a nice, relaxing place to put your feet up. These are, oh yeah, these are comfy. I was gonna say something about them, but I got very distracted by how comfy they are. TV, fireplace, storage.
I feel like that TV to wall ratio is a little off.
It would have been nice to see bigger, maybe 55-inch or so. But you can definitely change that.
Got a fire pit and a JBL sound system inside.
Yes, you have a fireplace and as well as some additional storage throughout there. Oh, and the windows here, you have plenty of windows. So you have all this amazing light come in. All right, let's come to the back. You have a bathroom situation here. And then you have your shower head. It's very simple in here, okay? You don't need anything fancy. And a medicine cabinet. Because you don't have much room here, you basically have to put everything in there.
So you had medicine.
Well, toothbrush, toothpaste, and all that stuff. Linens and towels can go in there. Your toilet. Plenty of space, actually, guys. Lots and lots of space. And then there's one more underneath here. There's additional space here.
It's the big one.
So, it's not bad, you guys. It's what you need, and for the price point, it is excellent.
It's a big unit compared to other units.
It is a big unit. You have tons of space here. It's walkable. This is your bed. It's a queen-size bed. You have these little tables on the side. You have a window. Now, for this unit here, there it is, okay? So you'll see there's a hole here. Oh my goodness gracious. You have your water connections up here, but I'm saying you could put your washer and dryer up here as well into this closet space. Or if you don't want to, you can just use it as storage. All right, closet space. It's a mirror, and this is your closet space. You have shelving as well as your little bar here. It's easy peasy. You can store tons of stuff.
That's a lot of shoes.
You can play hide and go seek. Additional storage underneath.
Oh, and that goes outside too.
Look how much room. Yeah.
So you got outside storage there and outside storage there.
Yeah, easy access.
That's awesome. I love easy access.
Look, you can put any size TV up here.
Pick and choose. There.
Pick and choose. Storage, drawers. Yep. And simple as that. You can even make this super cute with a plant, or, you know, you don't even have to put a TV up there. You can put a big giant picture of yourself.
That's what I would do.
How about that? And of course, your windows on either side of that. You have also a sliding door.
I was wondering what that was. There it is.
For privacy.
Keep the kids away.
Controls for your air. And the most amazing thing of all is if you buy this at Blue Compass, you get these amazing perks. Buying any RV from Blue Compass gets you the RV Complete VIP membership, which includes unlimited towing, windshield repair, and your very own RV tech, as well as other amazing benefits and exclusive Loves discounts. So don't miss out. And in the meantime, click like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.